Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm gonna do something today that I've been saying I've wanted to do for a while, and I thought I would do it with you guys. You guys could keep me company while I clean out my makeup stash. Excuse the extra glow. I just finished my skincare. All right, so let's clean out my makeup collection. This is what we're working with. 2 baskets or bins from the dollar store. Let me move them over to the carpet so I can sit down with you all. Do you want to say hi to Marley? Marley, say hi. All right, here we are sitting cross-legged on the floor. I'm gonna go through the little bin first because this is, I think, where some of my regular stuff is that I use. So this is a super cute Betty Boop makeup case. I got this in, what's that subscription called? It's by Michelle Phan. You guys remember her? Oh, what's it called? Ipsy. I got this in one of my monthly Ipsy things. I only had Ipsy for like 3 months and then I canceled it. I didn't find it personally worth it for me, but I did really like this makeup pouch. Anyways, in here I have a couple of lashes from Galore that are just way too big for me. I rarely wear lashes, but when I do, they're definitely not this big. So I'm going to get rid of these. I'm not going to get rid of them, but I'm actually going to give them to Keisha. So I'm going to set these aside. Yeah, I think Keisha will like these. So we'll make a Keisha pile. I'm definitely going to keep this though. Okay, we've got my Anastasia Glow Kit in Sun Dipped. I got this for, I think this was, yeah, this was in my stocking stuffer, I believe, last year. And it's basically a highlight palette, which is really, really beautiful. So I'm gonna keep this. Ooh, another Anastasia. This is the Jackie Aina palette. You guys, the colors in this are really beautiful, but if I'm being completely honest, sorry, I'm trying to work with one hand. These have so much fallout, like so much fallout, but look how beautiful the colors are, like literally. I don't know, what do you think? Should I keep it? I do like it. It's just, you know how my eyes like to water and stuff like that. And the way this stuff just like gets everywhere. It's like a snowfall on my eyes. I think I'll keep it for a little bit longer. Okay, this is actually new for me. This is by Morphe. It's a face and body bronzer in the color Leader. Keisha actually bought this and it ended up being just not the right color for her. So she gave it to me. So I'm gonna keep this because I haven't tried it yet. Okay, these lashes are pretty. I think I might keep these for myself. Like I said, I rarely wear lashes, but I do like to have at least a couple pairs. My LA Girl Shimmer Spray Finishing Spray for face and body. I've had this for a couple years now. I rarely use it. I'm gonna get rid of this. This is my Baked Bronzer by Milani and Soleil. This is one of my everyday face items. I use this constantly, so I'm gonna keep it. I think these are another pair of lashes. Yeah, another pair of lashes. What do you guys think? Do these look too big for me? Maybe, right? Yeah, I think this is another Keisha pile. My Fenty Beauty Cream Gloss Balm in Mauve Wives. I like it, but I feel like I kind of want to get rid of it now because, I don't know, I just want to lighten my load a bit. Oh, this is one of my favorite colors by Fenty Beauty. It's called Uncuffed, but this is an old one. As you can see, I don't know if you can tell, it's starting to separate the product. So this is definitely going in the bin. Another Fenty palette. This one is a little paler, a little pastel-y, a little holiday-ish. I think I'm going to give this one up now. This is Isabella Galore palette. I do like these colors, and I did want to try this bright pink one out, so I think I'll keep this one. Another Bella Galore palette. This one's Autumn Sunset. Ooh, wait, maybe I like this one better. Yeah, maybe I like the bottom one better. So I should get rid of the top one, right? This is a lash glue that I got from the beauty supply store. It's brand new, so I'll keep that. Here's another pair of lashes that are a little bit lighter weight, so I think I can handle these ones. My Bella Galore loose setting finishing powder. I'm gonna keep this. As you can see, I haven't even opened it, and I recently finished my Sasha banana powder, so this is gonna be new in my rotation on my everyday makeup. Hopefully I like it. My Fenty Beauty Fly Pencil Longwear Eyeliner. I never did like this. It's way too thick for eyeliner in my opinion, so I'm gonna get rid of this. This was an eyeliner I bought from Fashion Nova. They have a makeup line called Maven Beauty, but I didn't like it. It's pretty cheapy, and it was already pretty much dried out when it arrived, so I can get rid of that. I love this lippy. The color, it's by NYX. It's the Turned Up in 06. But this lipstick moves so much. Like, it doesn't matter what you do. You can do the whole blot on tissue. You could do the whole finger in the mouth thing. Doesn't matter. This moves everywhere. So I'm gonna get rid of it. This is my favorite contour product. It's by MAC. It's basically a Studio Fix powder in NW58. So it's a nice, cool, deep brown, perfect for contour for me. So I'm gonna keep that. This is a NYX concealer. It's actually their dark circle concealer, but I've always used it to clean up my brows. But I gotta be honest with you guys, this is like 8 years old. I think it's time to let it go. My Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless. I don't think, is this old? I'm not sure. My Maybelline Concealer. This is one of my everyday items. Keeping that. These concealers, one's by Pat McGrath, one's by Fenty Beauty. They're both slightly off in terms of color. I actually like the Maybelline one the best. Oh, this is the lipstick I wore the other day that you guys gave me so much compliments on. It's the Fenty Beauty Mademoiselle in Griselda. I love it. It's this beautiful deep burgundy color. Definitely keeping that. Okay, I have an old liquid liner. I can retire this. My LA Girl Nudie. I really did enjoy this lipstick. It's pretty old now, so I think I'm gonna retire it. Urban Vibes Cosmetic Eyeshadow Base. I'll keep this. And what's this? Oh, my Mineralized Skin Finish. Oh, something definitely broken here. Look at all that powder, you guys. My Mineralized Skin Finish in dark. I'm gonna keep this. I love it. This, you guys, oh my gosh. Let me tell you how old this is. Hold on. So I actually got this from my girl Ashik1118 or Keisha G here on YouTube. I went to New York to visit her, and she gave me a gift bag with a bunch of makeup and goodies in it. And this was one of the items, and she gave this to me. Here is a picture of us. Guys, this was 2017. That's how old this is, and it's literally my favorite highlight. And the thing about it is, I'm pretty sure Becca is like out of business or something, so I don't care. I'm keeping it. It's their Shimmering Skin Perfector in the color Opal. It just does it for me. Like, it's so perfect. So I'm keeping that. All right, I've got a couple of really old liners in here that I don't like. Definitely getting rid of all these old liners. These can go. This is another Mademoiselle in I Quit. This kind of reminds me of MAC Stoned, which I got rid of my MAC Stone, so I'm going to keep this. My MAC Chestnut Liner. I think this is my only lip liner, so I'm going to keep this. Ooh, MAC Raisin Blush. I very rarely wear blush, but I only have one, so I'm going to keep it. All right, I think the rest I can get rid of. I got a lot of repeat colors, lippies. So we're going to get rid of all this stuff. Bin number 2. Now, bin number 2, I'm pretty sure has stuff that I've forgotten about or haven't even opened yet. This is empty. I already showed you guys that. So let's see what's in here. So I'm very excited about it because now this can sort of sub in for a lot of the stuff that I got rid of. Oh, look. Press-on nails, guys. Okay, so here's what I was talking about earlier. My Sasha pressed powder, setting powder. This is done. Get rid of that. This is my Fenty Beauty, the first Fenty Beauty product that I bought. It's Trophy Wife, the highlighter. It was their must-have. I find it really hard to wear, but like, I don't know if I want to get rid of it. You can use it on your body in the summer, a little easier. I think I'll keep it. I've got tons of the Mademoiselle unopened, so I'm gonna keep these. And I did do a lipstick swatch video in case you guys missed it, if you want to see the colors on me. I haven't used this yet. Maybelline Better Skin Transforming Powder. So I'm gonna sub this in for the Maybelline Fit Me, the old one, and sub this in. See, you guys are gonna be able to see some new products in my makeup videos now, which is exciting. Got a blue eyeliner. I'll keep it. I'll keep the blue and the green. Okay, this is a Nars Lip Gloss in Orgasm, which Orgasm used to have like a cult following. It was their, I think it was a blush. I think it was a blush color originally. But obviously they branched off and made other products in that color. This is a lip gloss, but I don't like it on me. I feel like it makes my lips look, I don't know, kind of ashy. So I'm going to get rid of it. I have another Fenty Beauty Cream Gloss Balm that I'm going to keep since I tossed the other one. The other one was called Mauve Wives. This one is called Honey Waffles. That's a pretty color. Looks pretty similar to some of the old ones that I tossed. So put this in rotation. Urban Vibes Cosmetics. This is one of the first palettes I got from them. These are beautiful. I'm going to keep these. These are by Anastasia Face Cosmetics. It's black owned. I had a set of 4. I think I actually finished one completely and then retired one. So these two can sub in now. This, you guys, I love this lip gloss. It's by NYX. It's their Intense Butter Gloss. You can't even find this anymore. It's in the color Cinnamon Roll. It's so hard to find, but I love it. I'm pretty sure it's almost done, but I'm going to keep it. Oh, you guys, I found another concealer by Urban Decay. This one's brand new, unopened. Maybe I should actually get rid of this one. This was the Fenty Beauty one. And sub it in for the Urban Decay. This is one of my favorite reds. It's by, what brand is this? Wet n Wild. Oh my god, do you guys remember Wet n Wild? Yeah, this is the liquid catsuit in Missy and Fierce. It's one of my favorite reds actually. So I'm gonna keep it. I actually forgot about this, which is what I mean about cleaning out your stash. Oh, I've got a Sacha Buttercup loose setting powder. I don't think I've used this before, so I'll keep it. And look at that. The rest looks like unopened stuff. I've got a bunch of Brilliant Brows Precision Brow Pencils, which I love. So I'm definitely going to keep these. Yeah, I've got tons of them. I did a giveaway for a set of these actually on my Support a Sister page. So if you guys follow me over there, I do giveaways sometimes with all the extra product I receive. I've got a few of the Marcel Levon lippies. I did a lipstick swatch for this brand as well. This is black owned. The packaging is so sexy. I think it makes nice gifts if you guys are interested. I think I have a coupon code. I'll look for it and put it down below. Oh, look at this. I have a second Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Concealer. So yeah, definitely getting rid of the old one. What is this? Oh, the Fenty Beauty Brow MVP. I don't think I liked it. I think it was a little bit too thick for the way I like to do my brows. So maybe I'll see if Keisha wants to try this out. Keisha does her brows a lot thicker than me, so. What is this? This is by who? Oh, Flawless Barbie. This was a new brand that I tried out, black owned as well. This does not have a name on it. The color is kind of pretty. Wild Orchid. Should I keep that? I'm trying not to hang on to too much because I really want to lighten my load quite a bit. Oh my gosh, another concealer. Estee Lauder Double Wear. Yeah, I have tons of concealers, guys. But I don't wear foundation, so, you know, in my defense. Brilliant Brows Brow Gel. I don't really use brow gel. Maybe Keisha would. See if she wants to try this as well. Yeah, see, it's a clear brow gel. This is for people that have brows. Like Keisha has thick brows, so I think I'll pass this on to her. What is this? Ooh, a MAC lip gloss. Oh, you know what? I remember buying this. It was on their clearance rack. And MAC barely ever does clearance. Let's see what this looks like. Yeah, I think I'll try this out. That's pretty. Okay, guys, this is what's left. This is my keep pile. This is my pile for Keisha, and this is my discard pile. I don't know, does it still look like a lot to you guys? Should I go through it one more time? See if there's anything similar that's doubled up. Okay, I did some swatching on my hand to determine if I had anything that looked kind of like duplicates. So here's my final stash. So these are my lash products, 2 pairs of lashes, a couple glues, my blusher bronzers, my highlights, pared down to 2 eyeshadow palettes and a base, my foundation powders, my lippies, liners, 2 setting powders, my concealers, and my brow pencils. That's it, guys. I feel amazing. This is great. Here's everything packed up, fits nicely into one bin. All my lash stuff is in here. The rest is just hanging out. So I'm very excited to put on a face, guys, now that I know everything I have and I can see it and I can find it easily. So the next video will likely be a watch me do my makeup vid. I wiped everything off my hand, and these are the only ones that are left. Like, these ones are budge proof, so just in case you guys are looking for a budge proof lippy, the Marcel Levon ones really stay put. Like, if you have an all day event or you want to stay put under your mask, yeah, they're not moving.